Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Cluj Napoca. It takes me a second, doesn't it? Always. Cluj, and this is the Central Park. And so we're going to walk through the Central Park and I'll show you what we can see. Let's do it together. So first off, they've got these incredible flowers, and it looks like they just planted them and stuff. So... and it's a kind of a rainy, drizzly kind of day. And that over there is the casino, which is pretty cool. Rocks and shoes. Let's cross the bridge. We'll go look at the casino. And again, it is kind of rainy and icky, so I'm putting on my hoodie. But they've got a lake here and boats and, dragon boats and swan boats. And again, I think that's the casino, so... pretty amazing. Is that right? I got this right? I guess I should check, huh? Because I know, knowing me, I will have this a mess in 2 seconds. So let's see here. Where is this? This is, I gotta zoom in. Oh, Chio Social Lounge. Maybe it's not the casino. Maybe the casino is down here somewhere. No. Casino's the next building. Sorry, so I mess this up all the time. So this is the social lounge. Everybody meet the social lounge. This is the casino over here. How funny. And what's worse is I just looked at the video a minute ago, or the pictures, to figure out what was what, but yeah. This, however, is the casino. I guess it looks more like a casino, huh? It's got a great fountain, and they're cleaning it, and the statues are amazing. And this is Central Park. Don't count on that either. Jeez. Now I'm questioning everything because there's a whole bunch of little kids out in front of this casino. If they have little kids in there at the casino, we got other types of problems. Man, I hope that's the casino. Yeah, it looks like it is the casino, so I don't know. But maps can be wrong, for sure. But the park is gorgeous. Even on a rainy day with all these trees, it's not so bad. What's that building in the middle up there? That one. That one says University de Art Design. Let's just cross. It looks like they're working on things. Wow, that's really pretty. And a statue. Do we know who the statue is, Eric? Nope. If I could zoom in, I could tell you, but not so much. It really is a pretty park. And behind me, if you go straight behind me, you run into the arena. So I think a lot of people end up going to the arena for games and shows and those kind of things, but I bet a lot of them walk through this park to get there. And there's lots of kids and stuff too. And it's just a basic park. Lots of benches. And no trash, which is amazing. Lots of trash cans, that's great. All right, everybody. Well, we don't need to walk the whole thing if that's all there is just park stuff. So it looks like that's all there is just a nice, pretty park that is towards the center of town, or right on the edge of it, of the center section. So very cool. Okay, everybody. Thanks for coming along as always. Bye-bye.